Using a measuring cylinder, carefully add 10 cubic centimetres of ethanol to a pear-shaped flask. Carefully add 10 cubic centimetres of glacial ethanoic acid to the flask. Add slowly, with shaking, 9 drops of concentrated sulfuric acid to the flask. Put a few anti-bumping granules into the flask. Set up the apparatus for heating under reflux. Turn on the tap. Heat the flask gently with a hot water bath. Allow the mixture to boil for 10 minutes. Stop heating after the mixture has boiled for 10 minutes. Allow the mixture to cool for 5 minutes. Set up the apparatus for distillation. Heat the flask gently with a hot water bath. Distill off about 2/3 of the product mixture to get the first distillate, which boils between 74 degrees Celsius and 79 degrees Celsius. This distillate is an aqueous solution of ethyl ethanoate, unreacted ethanoic acid, and unreacted ethanol. Transfer the distillate into a 50 cubic centimetre separating funnel. Support a separating funnel on a stand. Add 10 cubic centimetres of saturated sodium carbonate solution to the separating funnel. Stopper the flask. Pick up the separating funnel. Shake the funnel gently. Invert the funnel and slowly open the stopcock to release excess pressure. Close the stopcock. Shake the funnel vigorously for a few seconds and release the pressure subsequently. Repeat shaking and releasing pressure for 3 times. Put the separating funnel back to the stand. Remove the stopper. Leave the funnel to stand until 2 separate layers appear. Open the stopcock. Run the lower aqueous layer into a 100 cubic centimetre beaker. Using a measuring cylinder, carefully add 10 cubic centimetres of 0.5 molar calcium chloride solution to the organic layer in the separating funnel. Stopper the flask. Shake the funnel vigorously. Put the separating funnel back to the stand. Remove the stopper. Leave the separating funnel to stand until 2 separate layers appear. Open the stopcock. Run the lower aqueous layer into the 100 cubic centimetre beaker. Discard the aqueous layer. Remove the upper organic layer by pouring it out from the top of the funnel to a dry 100 cubic centimetre conical flask. Add about 5 grams of anhydrous calcium chloride solid to the organic layer. Allow the mixture to stand for about 5 minutes. Swirl the conical flask occasionally. Filter the organic layer into a pear-shaped flask. Add a few anti-bumping granules to the pear-shaped flask. Weigh a dry 100 cubic centimetre conical flask. Read the mass from the electronic balance. Set up the apparatus for distillation. Heat the flask gently with a hot water bath. Collect the distillate, which boils between 74 degrees Celsius and 79 degrees Celsius, by using the weighed 100 cubic centimetre conical flask. Weigh the mass of the conical flask and the distillate, ethyl ethanoate. Read the mass from the electronic balance. According to the experiment results, calculate the percentage yield of ethyl ethanoate.